Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today we're going to talk about arrays. In how to make an array, we have two different options. The first option is like this. You can simply type var array equal arrays1, array2, array3, and then print that the array A is the indicator of 0 and array B is 1 and array 3 is 2. And also we have another way to create the array. You can simply type var array equal list, and you need to input the index, how much item that you're gonna use. For this example, I'm gonna use 3 items on the list. And how to make the item is just simply type array with index 0, and with item number 2 is array with index number 1 with the following value is string, which is random name. And if we run the print command, that will be print the same like what we do in the previous step before. Just insert the index if you want to access the specific items. Also, you can type length for the length item, and the first for print the first item, also the last for print the last item. Is empty is for checking the array or the array is have the value or not. If they have, so the result will be false, and so on. Is not empty is for checking or the array have no item or not, and the result is depend the item on the array list. Alright, I think that's enough for explaining about what the array is. I hope you enjoyed this course, and you'll see on the next topic.